Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove a background in Canva the same way I did for this person right here. So I'll show you exactly what I did. So first we need to upload an image. So come here to uploads and then click on upload files. Okay, so we have clicked the images section and we'll click on pictures. Then we'll scroll it down here and get an image. So I'll go ahead and use this one right here. So I'll open this up. And to remove a background, guys, it's very, very easy. So we'll wait for this image to go ahead and load up. So then we'll drag it here. Okay. Now let me actually move this higher. So we'll go to layers. Okay. And move this forward. And then all you need to do, guys, is click on this. You see this? BG remover. This is the background remover. So click on background remover and you'll see in a few seconds, Canva will go ahead and remove the whole background for you. So if you want, you can get rid of this guy and bring this guy in here. And there you go. Really that easy and simple.